What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Looks like a storm is about to start. Some tropical rain and thunder. So hopefully it's not too noisy. It's just starting to rain now, and in about 30 seconds it will probably be like so my apologies. We're sitting at 87 cents. Big bounce for Polygon. I posted in the Discord that if we do see a bounce, to look for a rejection in the zone that we're about to go over here. So we're up 10% on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 7.53 billion. Yeah, it's starting to come down. 24-hour volume, 683 million. Sorry if that's disturbing. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. Up to $30,000 in bonuses. Send me your sign-up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. I'm going to try to make this quick so you don't have to listen to the rain sound. I mean, maybe you find it peaceful, maybe you find it distracting. So it's going to start to get really loud. So what we're looking at here is we're coming down in a wave 3. So we've completed the wave 1 and a 5-wave move. And we've started to push up in what could be an ABC correction. We have a 5-wave move here. So we could be looking at a wave A, pull back in a B, push up in a wave C to take you up to 0.86 to 0.92, which is the normal rejection zone of a wave 2. Now it can get rejected from here and just begin to come down. But this is a 5-wave move, so there is potential for an ABC. And then if we were to get rejected from this level and start to break down, take a measurement, trend-based extension from the top of wave 1 to the bottom to the top of wave 2, and you'd have a 1.618 target of about 58 cents for a wave 3. You put in the wave 4, final wave 5 to complete the wave 3. Here, I'll turn the camera and so you guys can see. Hopefully the ISO isn't too bright. Here's the pool here. Yeah, you can see it's starting to really come down. Oh, it's starting to lighten up a bit. And 20 seconds later, it will start to downpour once again. So we'll pop over to our next chart, which is here on the daily time frame. We're still holding that strong support in between about 69 to about 79 cents. If we do start to break down from this level, let me zoom in here. Yeah, so you can see here we're holding these high volume nodes. If we do break down, then the next strong volume area, trading volume area, I'll drop in a yellow box here. Oh man, it's really starting to come down. The next strong level of support is in between about 56 to about 61 cents. As I've been mentioning, I do think you're going to come all the way down here to at least the 40-cent range, in between about 40 to 50 cents, and potentially be looking at this as a wave 1, seeing a wave 2 pullback, and then pushing up in a wave 3. That's my opinion, not financial advice, but over the last few weeks, everything's been playing out to a T with our wave count. So we'll see if we see continuation. No reason to flip bullish here until we break above about 97 cents. Wow, really starting to downpour now. So I'm going to wrap up this video. Make sure to sign up to Bybit and grab the up to $30,000 in bonuses. Email me your sign-up email. Free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. At the 10 USD membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. Recently locked in about a 7% gain, 2x short position with the signal that I gave in the Discord. Only 10 bucks a month. Sign up through the Patreon, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.